Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we are going to unbox this 4x4 off-road car, completely off-road car with high-speed motor. See, maximum speed of 30 kilometers per hour and nylon material, maybe the tires. This is the hard plastic or the quality plastic you can say, and the tires are of nylon material to withstand any terrain, uneven terrains, and ideal for 14 plus ages, but it would be good for any ages, means like 5 plus years. Spray effect is there, high speed motor, high speed tire, USB charging, lighting, and the remote is a bit different than the normal ones. This is same, forward and reverse is same, and for turning they gave like steering type 1, and additionally there are 3 gears. The third gear is for high speed. If you can see, first gear pedestrian mode, normal mode, and high speed mode. This is the power switch. Okay, that's fine. Anything else? Nothing. So we can just unbox this. And this I purchased from the offline store for nearly 3000 rupees. Somewhat similar cars, mini, RC, drift car, 4x4 adults. On the Flipkart is showing like 2700, but I couldn't find the exact match. But yeah, like these cars. Okay, many are saying like 4x4, but not all are 4x4 cars. Just unbox this and test what are the components in the box. Just open this box. Okay, this is the first look of the car, and the scaling is 1:180. Somewhere it is mentioned about the scaling. So if you find the similar car, see here the scaling is mentioned. One is to keep the box aside. And coming to the build quality, yes, decently good graphics and of hard plastic and quality plastic only, and these are of nylon tires, you can see. Good. And first let me take out this remote, and how many batteries I need to insert, baby. Here I need to insert the batteries. Let me put this aside. Let us check the car overview, and in the upcoming video, immediate video, you can find it in the description. I'll be testing this car in the real uneven surface, maybe in the farmland or something. If you want that video, definitely check in the description. Okay, this is a two-wheel drive car. Okay, only the back rear tires has the motor power. So what I'll do is I'll compare these two, this car and this car, in the real farmland terrain. So for that video also, just check it in the description. The test of this car in the real time, in the real world, and comparison between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. So we'll just open this. You need to just flip it, and there were 4 screws given, so just remove them. Yes, this is the car. I'm feeling a little bit heavy only because of the high quality build. So just take this box outside. Yes, this is looking pretty good. Please do comment your opinion on this. Initially here I'll be testing just by turning this on, maybe at the back side. Okay, is this rechargeable or not? No. Here at the rear's back side, I just turned on with this button, on off button, and immediately there are lights turned on. I can pour a drops of water so that you can see the smoke effect. We need to take out this battery thing here. Just you can remove like this. Okay, just insert 3 AA batteries. Okay, once you insert this, you can put this back here. Right, immediately this is blinking. Right, in the next video I'm going to unbox and test this RC helicopter which can go in any direction, not just for upward and downward. So this doesn't have sensor. This can move just like a real helicopter. So this will be going in all direction with high speed motor. You can check that in the description. Okay, now this is ready to operate. I'll be just okay. Yes, now everything is ready. I'll be giving it small moment. Yeah. Forward and reverse. In the next video, what I'm going to do is this needs to be definitely use this in the outside only, because the motor is high speed and the car is really traveling with high power motor. That's the reason it is ideal to use this in the open space.